Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by, liking, commenting and subscribing. For the new ones, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Feel free to tell us what you want on the comment section. Stay tuned on today's episode on Choda Akbar. Salim comes to Fatima B's house. She opens gate and says, "Prince, you?" Salim says, "Someone kidnapped me. Please save me." She takes him in her cot. She makes him sit and asks Kadia to get water for him. Salim says, "They will kill me. Jalal didn't come to save me, so I ran from there." Fatima says, "Don't worry. I won't let anything happen to you." Kadia gives him water. Fatima says, "You're safe here. I will take you to palace." Salim says, "I will not go there. I will not go to Jalal. He is bad. He didn't even come to save me." Fatima says, "Don't say like this." She says, "I will see outside if they are here or not." Man says to Jalal that I couldn't find Salim. Jalal says, "Where could he have been? I will go and see him myself." Tessie comes and says Fatima Bees has come. Jalal asks to call her in. She comes in with Salim behind her back. She greets Jalal and says, "I have brought your assets." Salim comes out from behind. All are happy to see him. Salim angrily looks at Jalal. He recalls how Jalal punished him, then how he made him stand under sun, then how Jalal didn't come to save him. Joda comes to Salim and caresses his face, but Salim leaves from there and hugs Ruqayya. Ruqayya says, "Are you fine, my prince?" She kisses him and hugs him and says, "I missed you a lot." Joda thanks Fatima B and kisses her hand. She says, "You have given me my breath back. I will be in your debt." Jalal says to Salim that you're strong. "Come hug me." Salim doesn't move. Joda asks him to come forward. Salim hides behind Ruqayya and stares at Jalal. Ruqayya says Salim is in fearful state. "I will make him eat something first. Don't know if he has eaten anything or not." Jalal says, yes, go and make him eat." Ruqayya takes Salim from there. Jalal and Joda are happy. Kids are playing. Haida says, "I have got something very important." He shows them a drink, wine, and says, "I have seen King and his ministers drinking and becoming chill. It must be good." Murad looks at it. Salim comes there. Murad says, "Here is Highness." So he will drink first. Murad says, "This is drink and who drinks it feels good." Salim says, "Really?" Murad and Haida nods. Salim drinks it and says, "This is very bitter." Haida asks him to drink more and it will look nice. Salim drinks more, then he gives Kutub. Then Daniel drinks, then Murad drinks, then Haida too drinks. They are inebriated. Salim says it's bitter but good. They all started laughing. Salim is going in drunken state. He listens to music and goes to the room. Some Desis are dancing. They stop seeing Salim. Salim asks them to sing and dance, and "If you love your lives, then follow my order." He sits and pushes them to dance. "You're my servant. Dance." Desis starts dancing. Salim finds wine there and drinks it. He finds fruit there and asks Desi to bring it. She brings. Jalal is going from that way. He is talking with Tudemal. He hears Salim's voice and says, "What is Salim doing there?" And music is also playing there. Jalal goes in and is shocked to find Desis dancing and Salim enjoying it. Salim says, "Keep dancing. I am here." Salim drinks wine. Jalal gets angry. All Desis stop seeing Jalal. Salim asks, "Why did you stop? Keep dancing." Jalal looks at Salim and slaps him hard. He says, "Did you drink wine? Who gave you wine?" Desi says he took it himself. We tried to stop him, but Jalal asks them to leave. Jalal asks Salim to come. Salim says, "I want to see dance." Jalal slaps him again and says, "Now I will show you something else." Jalal brings Salim to weighing machine and says, "You know what it is. This is balance of justice. One side is humanity and other is fate. These qualities are needed for king. We all were great king and now you ruining your name. What was that?" Salim says, "I was not wrong. You find everything wrong in me. Then you punished me. Then you say it was learning. I am here." Jalal says, "You know the meaning of here? He has powers, but it doesn't mean that that doesn't mean you will use it wrongly. Power will be taken from you if you abuse it." Salim says, "You also use your powers to punish me." Jalal says, "Yes, and that is because For king, son and nations are equal. Jalal says king needs to learn how to help nations. He needs to know what justice means. Jalal says to Salim that you don't even deserve to stand in front of weighing machine. You don't deserve to be here. Salim says you are bad. Jalal raises his hand to slap him. Judah says, what are you doing? Jalal says, I would have done this before. Judah says, look at him. He mistakenly drank wine, but you deliberately raised your hands on him. Jalal asks Stacy to take Salim from there. Salim leaves. Jalal says to Judah, that's come with me. Salim is in his room and recalls how Jalal slapped him and how he gave lectures to him. Salim comes to weighing machine. He takes fire lamp in his hand. Jalal says to Judah that you're coming in my way. Judah says it's about my son. You are doing wrong. See the results. Jalal says it's because of your love that Salim has become stubborn. Judah says, what do you think? If you will be bitter with him, then he will be more stubborn. Love can be won by love only. Jalal says, I have seen in his eyes betrayal for me, hatred for me. He thinks he can do anything with power. Judah says, but he is child only. He doesn't know how to use powers and your anger is destroying us. Jalal says, I am just making him walk on the right path. Judah says, I am worried if Salim will lose the path. Jalal says to Judah that you are not understanding. Judah says you are not understanding child's mentality. He is here but kid first. Desi asks Jalal to come outside and see Salim. They come to Justice weighing machine and are shocked to see it on fire. It's burning and Salim is angrily looking at it. All family members come there. Ruqayyah smirks seeing it. Jalal gets angry on Salim and looks at Judah. Judah is tensed. Jalal leaves from there. Judah takes fire sticks from Salim's hand and throws it away. Soldiers blow off the fire. Hamida says, seems like storm is going to come. Jalal went without saying a thing. His silence is giving idea of storm. This is not good. Judah is tense. In court, Judah says to Hamida that Jalal didn't come to his room last night. I am worried. I don't know what's running in his mind. Something bad is going to happen. Hamida says be positive. Jalal is Salim's father. He won't take a strong decision against him. Jalal comes in court. Jalal says to call Salim in court. Rahim brings him. Jalal angrily looks at Salim. He says that I have decided that Salim will go to war of Patton. All are shocked. He will take learning of war from Rahim and Man. Ruqayyah says, what are you doing? You will send a kid on war? This is wrong. Jalal says, don't tell me what is right and wrong. I have taken the decision and I will stick by it, and it's better if nobody goes against my decision. Jalal says to Rahim and Man that remember that here is not going with you, but a common kid who is going with you to learn things. So don't give him protocol. Jalal says let Salim see the ground of war. He will now be more son of Jalal, so he will get no advantage of it. Judah says, but Jalal says follow my order. He asks Rahim to get Salim ready for war. He will go with you today only. Rahim nods. All wives are stunned. Salim stares at Jalal. Ruqayyah throws things in her room. She's frustrated and then starts laughing. She says, Judah, now my work is finished and soon I will achieve my goal. This was my last attack and it was done by your son only. The wine which Salim drank will ignite fire in your life. I have planned everything. I used every event to make your life worse, Judah. And the pawn in game was Salim. She recalls how Haidar was asking for a juice from Desi. He told her that Salim will be with him too. Flashback ends. Ruqayyah says, then I sent wine for kids. In this state, Salim got out of control and Jalal slapped him. This ignited hatred in Salim again. Judah, you tried to rule me. Now, I will see how you'll be able to stop your son. Even after being Mariam Zamani, you couldn't stop me from what I have done. Judah says to Jalal that how can you do this? How can you be so hard? How can you send a kid to war? Jalal says, I have taken my decision and I don't like anybody pointing at my decision, so don't talk about it. Judah says, please stop this decision. Don't let Salim go away from us. Jalal says, I am doing all this for his good. Judah says, no, you are moving kid away from his mother. In this age, he needs us. Your inner king can overpower your inner father, but I won't let mother die inside me. I won't let Salim go away. Jalal says you want your child to be afraid of sword. He is enjoying dance of girls, and if this is the kind of king he becomes, then he will destroy his nation. Judah says, but he is a kid. How will he bear all this? Jalal says, I bared all this in childhood too. To become a great king, he has to bear all this. Salim is made to wear a dress. Joda says to Jalal, this way Salim will go far from you. And why did you say he can't use your name and will be treated as common soldier? Jalal says, because to become special, you first have to pass common stage. I have taken the decision and I won't take it back. Joda cries. She says, just for king's stubbornness, don't take test of murder. Jalal says, I am just telling him duties of a king. Salim gets ready to go on war. Salim thinks that now I have understood, Jalal, that you don't love me. I swear I will never use your name now. Joda folds her hands and says to Jalal, don't send Salim away from me. She puts her head on his shoulder. Jalal says, don't you want to make your son a warrior? To make him, his mother have to become strong. If you want your son to be shouted as great king, then you have to kill mother inside you. He asks her to come to send a soldier to war. He leaves. Joda says, no, Salim, you can't leave me. I won't let you go. She looks from terrace. Salim is ready to leave. All family members come at the gate to send Salim away. Jalal comes there. Man asks for his order. Jalal nods. Man and Rahim takes Salim and starts leaving. Joda comes there running to stop Salim, but Jalal asks Joda to stop. Joda asks Salim to stop, to look at her. He doesn't look at her. Joda pleads to Jalal to stop Salim. Shaguni says to Kalimar that why are you testing Joda? Her heart is breaking. Joda says to Man that Salim is my son. Take care of him. Man says, I promise I will protect Salim more than my life. He starts leaving. Shaguni says to Mar, give strength to Joda to bear all this. Salim sits on horse and leaves with force. Soul talk. Joda says that day, Jalal, you had hurt a mother. That day was the most hurtful day for me. You had taken my soul away from me. I couldn't know how to stop Salim. I couldn't forget that day. Only my body left in palace, but soul away. I didn't know when I would see my son again. Wow, guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.